Tota mudimu kan tusa wo holo dai wona kamato. Leha mudimu kan tusa wo holo dai wona kamato. Tota mudimu kan tusa wo holo dai wona kamato. Leha mudimu kan tusa wo holo dai wona kamato. Jibi jibi, hela jibi jibi, hey jibi jibi, are jibi jibi, hela jibi jibi, are jibi jibi.
Hi guys, welcome back to Nanhua Performing Arts Group Dance Lessons. My name is Bobby. Today I'll be doing a tutorial of a dance piece called Bojwala. Let's get started. Today I will teach you the first part of the routine. Ready? So the first movement is right, left, right, left, right, left, right. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Right, left, right, left, right. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then your hands will move like this. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's move on to the second movement. So from here, it's da da and ba ba ba. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba ba da 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 da. Then from here you go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ba da da. Okay. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba ba. Da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, da, da, da. Last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Ba, ba, and da, 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 da. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ba, da, da. Our first part ends here. So now let's combine from the top till the end. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Body. And da 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 da. And da da da. 1, 2, da da. Let's combine from the top till the end with music. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our lesson. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next lesson. Goodbye.